This is how you set automatic ISO and minimum shutter speed on the Lumix S series cameras. Now I'm going to push menu set. Now first I'm going to set it for the still camera settings. So I'm in the top mode here, top tab, and I'm going to scroll over to minimum shutter speed. Now what this does is this is going to allow me to choose the minimum shutter speed that the camera will go to in the automatic settings. Now, the other thing I can do is I can adjust, this is ISO sensitivity for photos. It says photos right next to it there. Now, I can set the lower limit. So if I don't want the ISO to go below 400, I can set it for 400. And then I can set the upper limit. So let's say I don't want the ISO to go too high. Okay, I can set it to, let's say, stop at 3200. So now, in the automatic mode, the ISO will not go above 3200. Let me go back, and we're going to show this for video. So now I need to change my mode dial up here to the creative video mode. Hold the button down, turn the dial over to, it's an M with a video camera next to it. I'm going to press menu set again, and remember these are video camera settings, so when I'm in this mode we don't get still camera settings here. So I go down to ISO sensitivity for video. I go over here, and again I can set my lower limit and my upper limit so that I stay within a certain range for ISO. So that's how you set minimum shutter speed and auto ISO on the Lumix S series cameras.